All right, guys, we got our buddy's 72 Nova here. Just gonna be doing a quick exhaust for it. I say quick, but it's never easy. This thing's really nice. He's had it for a very long time. It was his first car and pretty much his only car. He loves this thing to death. It's been in the family for a while. It was his dad's car. He's gonna be giving it to his son Sloan. So beautiful car, probably one of the first muscle cars I've probably seen on air ride. He did this a long time ago. I remember him telling me he took it to the shop and they were like, they thought it was a stupid idea, but look where we're at now. We're basically putting everything on air ride, so definitely ahead of the curve at the time, but super awesome build. Pretty simple, nothing too crazy, but we're gonna add a little crazy to it. We're gonna give it a little something special. Let's check out under the hood real quick. Here we go. Got a nice supercharged Chevy motor. All right, let's get to it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this outdated exhaust. True dual ground pounders. Nah, man, nah, we got something else cooking. We got something else cooking. Let's do it. Well, get the straight up reaction.
There it goes. Damn. Sounds fucking definitely getting pulled over now. Holy shit. That's fucking awesome.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it. Thank you.
Is it
Yeah.
too loud?
No.
Really?
It's on the border of
Yeah.
too loud, but it's like, I love it.
But it's crisp, right?
Yeah, it sounds so good. It doesn't sound like it's trying to break apart or something's wrong.
Wow. And it's titanium.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Holy shit, dude. You fucking hooked it up. Thank you.
Yeah. So it's like you said, it's on the border of like loud, but it's so crisp. It's like, it sounds good.
Yeah, no, it sounds amazing. That sounds better than I thought it was gonna sound, for sure.
Yeah, so I was like, got something for you.
No.
I've been thinking about this for years.
Yeah, no, I'm totally happy, man.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Well, that came out awesome. Customer's super stoked. Real happy to get that done for him. That car definitely deserves it. Well, that about wraps it up. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not already subscribed, please do so. That way you stay up to date for all our latest projects. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.